Hey guys, I'm at the market and I'm on the hunt for some exotic mushrooms for my sticky Hoisin veggie Peking mushroom pancakes. Let's go. I'm Ching, a TV chef and food writer. To celebrate Veganuary this year, Ching-He have challenged me to create some mouth-watering plant-based meals. So join me as I seek out the freshest produce and combine it with Ching-He's famous flavour-packed sauces to make something truly Veglicious. So this is it. This is what I'm looking for. Look at this beautiful array of mushrooms. Now, when you're buying mushrooms, it's important to look for a nice, plump, thick stalk and a nice, smooth cap. Okay, so I've got a good selection here. I've got my oyster mushrooms, fresh shiitake, enoki and shimeji, and some lovely, beautiful king trumpet mushrooms. These are going to add a lovely, nutty aroma and savory bite to my sticky Hoisin veggie Peking mushroom pancakes. So I've got my beautiful mushrooms. The first thing I want to do is to inject some flavour into them. So I've got here Ching-He's mushroom vegetarian stir-fry sauce. And this has got a lovely savoury umami mushroom flavour. Next, I want to inject a bit of colour. So I've got Ching-He's premium dark soy sauce. And this is also going to inject a lovely deep savoury note. This wouldn't be Peking pancakes without Ching-He's sticky Hoisin sauce. This is going to add sweetness and umami. Now, to help this roast in the oven, I'm going to add Ching-He's pure sesame oil. And that's also going to impart a lovely nutty aroma. And then 2 pinches of ground white pepper just sprinkled over the top and just gently mix so that all the mushrooms are evenly coated. I think that's looking pretty good. We've covered most of the mushrooms. All that's left to do is to roast them at 180 degrees. So while the mushrooms are roasting, I'm going to steam some pancakes. So I've got here some wheat flour pancakes in a bamboo steamer. So while the pancakes are steaming, I'm going to prepare the cucumber, slice them into nice long julienne strips. So next I'm going to julienne my spring onions. Just run your knife through. So the mushrooms are ready, it's time to serve. Beautiful, smells so good. So I just want to transfer it onto a plate and then it's time to assemble. So just going to take pancake. I'm going to add Ching-He's Hoisin sauce, just a little bit, some cucumber, spring onions, and some of these roasted meaty mushrooms. And that's it, that's ready to serve. That's my sticky Hoisin veggie Peking mushroom pancakes.